What's going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. This is Juju here from Juju Tech. I'm here over at Pinku Style. As you guys can see, the 180 is right behind me. I actually just started wrenching on it probably for about like the past 5-10 minutes. We're gonna swap out our springs on the front and the rear, and yeah, I'm excited because this car's another step closer to finally getting back out on track, or to getting out on track. And yeah, I'm really excited. Let's get into some wrenching, guys. So far right now, what I've got off right now, I've got the front wheel off. I just disconnected here. All I have to do is take these three nuts off where the top pad is at, and yeah, let's get it. I'm super excited. Let's get it, guys. Like I said, more content's rolling through. Let's get it. All right, guys, just like that, the PS01 TS coil is off the car. I'm gonna go ahead, pull this off right here. To break it down, I'm obviously gonna take some preload out of it, let it droop, and then go ahead, take this top piece off. All right, guys, so once you guys have your PS01 TS loose right up here, right from the top hat, you're gonna go ahead, pull the top hat up. All right, now I already pre-did this, but this comes somewhat of a pressed fit in, so you're gonna go ahead, pull it off like so, gasket, and then, or like, yeah, you know what I mean. And then from there, go ahead, try to keep the dust cover on. Boom, the spring comes out just like so, easy peasy. Yeah, it's actually my first time pulling apart a coil. So yeah, too easy. I'm gonna go ahead, grab the new springs, and just keep pressing, guys. I'm excited. Let me see. No, I'm kidding. I can't do that. These are 12.5 Ks, so these are actually, yeah, pretty cool. I'm actually gonna go with I think I did 10 and. Did I go 9? I might have go 10 and 6. I have to look at the box. But change the springs up. Factory, from the factory PS01 TS coils come with, I think, a 8 and 6, if I'm not mistaken. I have to double check. But yeah. That's good. All right, guys. So to confirm, I am running a 10 and 5. I think. I gotta keep going through the box. But 10K springs. Go ahead, pull these out. Install these Johnnies in. Go ahead, tuck away these 12s. These are 12Ks that I'm putting away. They were on the car. Here's the 10Ks. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide it in. Just like so, right? Get this boy right here, remember? Okay. Just like so. Go ahead. Put this in. This one around. Alright. Oh, forgot. My bad. You guys can't see. I'm just gonna put this in hand tight for now, just because I don't have the measuring tape right here with me. But it's going to go like this. Flip it over real fast. Alright, let this come down here. And I'm gonna work my way down with these. I'm gonna come and tighten this bad boy up. Gave it a good couple Ugga-Duggas, so should be Gucci. Going on inside the shop, we have Donnie getting ready to dyno a motorcycle. This is a service that Donnie offers. He's just started offering dyno for cars, and he's actually testing out motorcycle right now. So let's see it go.
Tied on. This is Photography's Z800 Kawasaki and everything. But yeah, man. So the guys out there in Misawa, if you're watching this, you got bikes. We doing bikes, dirt bikes, anything that's, I think the smallest is a, 12, because it was like the pit bike's like 12. 12 inch rear. Because anything, pretty much the smallest shit, it physically can't roll it up there, like the little, pretty much a scooter. So anything from a PW or PW80 and up can get on there. But I would highly recommend you gotta take your knobbies off, man, because they're just gonna be straight on these.
Alright guys, so I didn't record myself taking down the passenger side. You guys see me do it over there on the other, or well no, actually you guys didn't. You guys see me put it up on the other side. But literally 2 bolts to the knuckle, 3 up here. Super simple to pull them off. No issues. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let me grab my wrench. Break this bad boy loose right here. Bring it all the way down. And this one. Essentially what you're doing is you want to get all the slack, you want to give it slack so that when you go pull the spring off, all right, there's no load, all right. So it looks something like this. All right, testing Clint's ZX800, a little jelly. I think is nice. So Clint, if you're seeing this, you got a really nice bike, bud. So same thing, pull this off. You come here, grab your impact. Boom. Top hat. Can't forget this guy. All right. Then you're gonna come here. Comes out just like so. Forget. Foam piece. Then your metal one, and then stand this up like so. Boom. 12K's out. Let's go grab the other 10. All right, guys, let's get it. Whoop. Got another 10K spring right here. Take this 12. We're gonna put it away for now. Donnie's over there having fun on the dyno. Nice. All right. Let's get the spring in because we have a surprise. All right. Just like so, she's in. So I did notice there was a little bit of a difference. I believe this 10K is a little bit longer than the 12K. So I'm gonna have to account for that. Essentially all I'm doing is just making it tight enough to where I can still turn the spring around. Mind you, I'm only putting these things hand tight, so should look something like that. Sweet. Let's put this in the car. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna start a new video, but that's gonna do it for today. We have a surprise coming up, and go ahead, smash that like button, hit the notifications, you know, so you guys can get a notification when I do upload shorts and videos. Also, Yeah, go like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys like this video.